I know the sight of this KFC crispy chicken is making you to salivate. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it, how to make it in your own house. It is very easy. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Great Glamour. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and if you have, thank you so much. Let's get right into the kitchen. What you need is boneless chicken, like chicken breast, that part of the chicken. I'm using yellow chicken to make this crispy chicken recipe. First you add paprika, then you add white pepper, and then you add black pepper, and then ginger, dry ginger, and you mix everything together. Mix everything together, put it in a bowl, cover it with plastic film, and allow to marinate for some hours. If you want, you can leave it for a day. Next, you add 2 cups of flour in a bowl, then add 1 egg, add black pepper, and then add water and mix everything together until you get a very light consistency. You keep on adding water until you get that consistency. This is the consistency that I'm talking about. Next, you heat up oil in a pan. If you don't want to fry it, after mixing everything, you can put it in the oven and bake it in the oven if you don't want to fry it. You heat up oil in a pan and then add flour to boil. You mix the flour and the salt. You mix everything together. Then you will start picking the chicken breast. Dip it first into the liquid flour that you mix into the liquid mixture, and subsequently dip it into the dry mixture and fry it. Very easy step to follow. Just like I said earlier, if you don't want to fry it, you place everything in an oven tray and bake at low or medium heat until like maybe 30-40 minutes. But if you're frying it, you fry on medium heat as well. For like each batch that you're frying, you fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, because the chicken, remember, they are not cooked, they are raw chicken. Okay, then that's it. That's for mixing it with flour. Now I'm going to show you how to use breadcrumbs to mix it as well. It's pretty much the same step like I explained before. First, you dip the meat inside the liquid mixture, and then you now dip it or sprinkle the powder, the dry mixture. That's in this case the breadcrumbs. You sprinkle it on the mixture, on the meat, and then you fry. They come out equally great. They come out equally delicious and crunchy. The only thing is that I can say that the breadcrumbs gives it a better taste, you know, but it's still the same thing. The final result is still pretty much the same. Here I'm sprinkling the breadcrumbs on the meat because I don't want to dip it. I don't have much breadcrumbs, so that's why I didn't dip it like I did with the flour. And then yeah, you just fry it afterwards. You can see that I'm still frying the first batch that I made with the flour. Now I'm going to remove it because it is ready to be removed. It is done. I'm removing it now. You can see the the color, the texture that it gives. It like the breadcrumbs makes it like it has some like flakes on the meat. It's wonderful. It's so lovely. It's a lovely sight to behold. Wait until you hear the sound of the crunchiness. Wow, this is so lovely. So I'm not going to fry the ones that I made with the breadcrumbs. You see how they look? It's the same, just the difference is the mixture, whether it's breadcrumbs or it's with flour. The most important thing is that the inside comes out, that the inside is yummy and the outside is crunchy. It's crunchy and crispy. That's the most important thing. And of course, if you like, you can add pepper. But then the taste of the black pepper that I added makes it wonderful. It comes out wonderful. Now we have our crispy chicken ready. You can see the picture, the video of that I'm showing you now of the breadcrumb, the one that I made with breadcrumbs. It has a deeper, like the color is deeper, it's darker. But it's still the same thing. You see how it comes out, just the same thing that you buy at KFC and all those Popeyes and all those shops. They're the same thing. Just listen to the crunchiness. Just listen. Wonderful, wonderful, very crunchy and very delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. You can serve it with pepper and onion sauce, or you can serve it with corn, iceberg, potatoes, or in this case I have here beetroots. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.